This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Trish Ellis. Welcome to the highly sought after CALOOSA Point in Sun City Center. This golf cart community boasts hundreds of clubs and activities including pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, arts and crafts, woodworking, and so much more. This community is a must-see. I promise you will be amazed. Conveniently located between Tampa and Sarasota and is close to 3 international airports, multiple world-famous beaches, amusement parks, restaurants, and tons of entertainment. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a huge sunroom. Enjoy the fall breeze on your Screened in Lanai and soak up all of the Florida sunshine. Hurry! Here today, gone tomorrow. For more information.